start tonight with a big question. Does it seem like everyone around you, or perhaps that you know, is getting sick?
They could have one of what doctors have dubbed the Four Horsemen, four major illnesses going around: the flu, RSV, a new COVID variant, and norovirus.
So what can you do to better protect yourself? And just as important, who's most at risk?
News 4 San Antonio's Taylor Whartonby went to find out more about it from local medical experts. Here's what she found out for you.
It's not just one or two, but four illnesses are going around. We went to get answers today from Stephen Ramirez. He says right now he is seeing an unusual increase in all four viruses, and he's calling them the Four Horsemen. He said the uptick started a few weeks ago, and it's impacting people of all ages.
1 in 4 of my patients right now come in because they're having some sort of infection, and it's interfering with their life. The CDC says that the flu so far has affected 9.1 million people. There's already been about 110 hospitalizations and roughly 5,000 deaths already this year from the flu. So that's something that we want to be aware of.
Dr. Ramirez says patients who are sick with the flu may have the classic trio of symptoms, including headache, fever, and muscle aches. But for the norovirus, symptoms can differ.
It's more of a gastroenteritis virus, so it deals with vomiting and with stomach symptoms and diarrhea that usually lasts about 2 or 3 days.
I also spoke to a patient who came in today. Christina Serrano says she was sick recently.
I had like stomach stuff and just felt tired, kind of like reminded me of COVID, but I didn't test myself for it.
Serrano says she has learned from COVID that these viruses are going to come and go.
The business people are being affected because, you have one person calling in sick and another person calling in sick, but if it's a small business and all your employees are out, then it's like, that's a problem.
Dr. Ramirez says the best way to stay protected is to use a mask for the next few weeks and to use your elbows instead of your hands and to wash your hands with soap and water. For News 4 San Antonio, I'm Taylor Whartonby.
If you have a pre-existing condition, diabetes, or lung issues, doctors say you should be extra careful.